Hi! In front of me is CUBOT tablet, Tab 10, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off auto rotation on this device. First of all, go into Tab menu. Now look for auto rotate icon, and when you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is green. That means that auto rotation is on, but you can always turn it off by clicking on the same icon. If you wish to, you can go into settings as well and tap on display section. Then scroll down after clicking on advanced and tap on this sweater next to auto rotate screen. If it's green, that means that auto rotation is enabled, but you can always disable it by clicking on this same sweater. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!